welcome back to my channel. At this time, it's about 11 o'clock in the morning, and Anne is crying. We are out on a walk at the park here, and we're going here. So, there you go. I already fed her once already. Oh, okay, that sounds like when she cries, stops and cries. That is a burp usually. So let's, I'm gonna have to put the camera down so I can try to find a good angle. Camera down right here. So I have to take her out of the stroller. Yeah, so we're the only ones here at the park. It's a beautiful day outside. So I'm burping. I was going to do some pit stop, but I don't really feel like doing with seeing a couple of my friends with Anne. I don't think it's a good idea. I find the two worst things. Diaper change I find pretty easy, but bottle feeding and burping takes the longest to do. That's what I find. I find that burping, hope you can see. I don't know what the best angle is. Yeah, I don't have the best angle. Sorry. That might be a little better angle, maybe. So as you can see, I am holding her neck and supporting her neck and head with my hand. You can hear Anne slightly as she is trying to burp. Smells like somebody's cooking. Burping takes a long time, so it's vegan. So I'm still burping her, and I find burping and feeding the two things that takes the longest. They usually take about half an hour usually. I like burping her this way because that way I can see her. Oh, my legs are getting sore. I don't know why I like walking to parks, but it's what I like to do. Okay, time to switch. My hands are getting sore. Support the neck. Okay, and has faces right now. It's very important to support the neck at a young age. Babies at a young age like this get very, very gassy. Because they cannot do it themselves, so you gotta do it until they're like 6 to 9 months. I don't know if you realize, but I like to rub the back of the pad. Yes, yes, and you are very gassy. That's a little tiny one. Very small, little tiny bird. We're waiting for a big one. So you do quite a few small, tiny little ones. This can take up a long time, you guys. Last time I burped her, it took me about 20-30 minutes. Babies, I don't know why babies have a hard time burping. I can't remember what the reason is. Because they're so little and don't have the strength to bring it up, I'm thinking. something about them helps them burn the gas up too. That's what I did earlier. I finished her. Wow, she's very super gassy. Oh, the sophomore didn't come up. Sounds like it's going to come up soon. Yeah, sounds like she's trying her best to bring it up. Wow, and it's gassy. Yeah, I think burping's the worst one. It takes the longest, it's hardest to do, while being the second hardest, and changing's the easiest. Oh my gosh, she's getting really sore and tired. I don't know how long it's been. I don't know if it's been about 10-15 minutes. I'm not quite sure how long it's been. But I do know that it's been quite a while. I'll probably say it's been about 15-20 minutes. I'll probably say. And that's what I'll probably say about 15-20 minutes. It's been. Now later on tonight, it's almost time for me to get ready. In a couple hours, it'll be time for me to get ready to go. Happy. So you heard all her noises that she wanted. That's a burp. I didn't hear her burping, but she had a little tiny one. I like to rock her until she goes to sleep. So yeah, so I like to rock her until she goes to sleep. That way I know she'll be sleeping. She'll make a different kind of noise when she sleeps. More heavy breathing. Or else she'll start crying again. So before I continue my walk, I'll make sure she sleeps. So I'm not quite sure how long that took. I had no idea. So 16 minutes it took. I thought it took a lot longer than that. I thought it took about 20 minutes or so, but 16 minutes it took. So she's finally quiet for now. I'm not quite sure how long she'll be quiet for. Excuse me, I didn't get much sleep last night. I'm not quite sure how long she'll be quiet for. So we'll find out. So we'll find out how long. I don't know if I should put it back in the stroller right now or not. I think about seeing one of my friends, but I don't think she'll be home. I don't know. Once again, I might just carry her across. So carry her instead of putting her in a stroller. I might carry her across the road. My friend's not home, then I'm going to go back home. So now you've seen Anne cry, and what I did. I'll give you updates. May try to give you updates later on. But thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.